What's going on, YouTube? I want to take you guys through my latest and greatest tool haul. This is a special one because this is my first time ordering from Snap-on, and I didn't get just one tool from them, but I got two, and I'll take you guys through that after I unbox. And let's get right into it. So, quick backstory on just why I made this purchase. Obviously, I'm all about value, and really, putting a real emphasis on getting the most for your money. But this specific set of pliers, the Snap-on LN46ACF 7-inch Talon grip pliers. 3 different settings here. Oh man, these feel amazing. These made an exception value-wise because you cannot find anything similar on the market to these at all. These are proprietary to Snap-on. You got the long nose plier profile at the top here with some really, sorry, let me get that to focus. The jaws and the teeth in here are just exceptional. Yeah, I'm just kind of taking this in right now, but yeah, these are the 7-inchers, and they also make a 9-inch version of these, and for my purposes, I didn't need something that large. But yeah, USA stamped, which means that they're made here in the USA. Grips feel really good. It's a real nice weight to these too. But yeah, going back to these were, I believe, $61.45 online. You can get them now. I believe the 9-inch versions are back ordered at the moment, but I went with the 7. I ordered these specifically to do a pesky heater hose job. It's a really small 3/8 hose diameter. That's found on the back of a Land Cruiser engine. So it's really hard to get to, and I think that these will do just great. But yeah, that's my sole reason. And honestly, I can't come up with other future scenarios, but I could see myself using these, especially with the job profile here. Oh, and I guess they have cutters right down at the bottom there. You can maybe use that as a cutter, I'm not sure, but really solid. There's no wiggle play there. Yeah, blown away. These are really freaking nice. Wow. So let me move this out of the way, and we can just compare the the LN46ACFs to just what I currently have. It's really just, again, it's a mix between your usual. These are the Icon long nose pliers, not needle nose, long nose definitely. There's the profile there. Clearly you only have etching on the outermost tip there. Really good for the price, $20, can't beat it. And they're the icons are just a little bit longer in length there, so you can see. And the only other tool similar that I have to a long nose bill plier are these Knipex. These are the 2611-200 long nose pliers, and these go in my Vito tool bag. So I take these with me just on like family house member calls, friends if they need something. It goes in that DIY tool bag, so that goes there. And the long nose pliers meet these triple slip joint pliers. These again are from Icon. I think they're $20. But as you can see, these jaws, along with this tip, the etching on this tip, are found here in one set of pliers. And you get the triple joint there. That's really, really, really hard to beat. So yeah, that's just kind of where this is gonna live. It's gonna live in between the long nose and the regular slip joint pliers that we have from Icon. And yeah, I could see myself using these a ton, keeping them in my bag just because of, you know, how small they are in comparison to both. So if I hold all three together, the snap-ons are a lot shorter in length than the other two Icon pliers here. So portability is key. Reliability is key. And yeah, I don't think, you know, they are, like, truthfully, 3 of these pliers from Icon are the price of this, but again, proprietary, you can't find this anywhere else. So yeah, let me clear the table. Let's do a couple of just real life tests here. Got a few different trinkets here. The first thing I want to try to do is actually try to pick up this dime excuse me, that I have on the table here. People on YouTube have used these to pick up coins using the raised lip on the edge here. So just one hand operation, come in, not put a ton of pressure on the coin. Oh, look at that, first try. Picked up the dime. If I can get that to focus, just like that. Wowzers. Not bad. And obviously you can just find yourself picking up any of these. But what's special about these pliers is you got the slip joint ability to open them all the way up. And this jaw size is pretty big. It can get pretty big. I don't ever see myself needing to use it like that, but you know, if the opportunity presents itself, if you need to be a little bit more delicate with something, you can open them up like so. The other good thing about this middle jaw here is sometimes you have a loose bolt and a nut, and I would place this on the nut fastener, right, to hold it on one side, and then you just have a ratchet or your electric ratchet. You just go to town to loosen it. But yeah, multi-use here. See if I can pick up the coin again. First shot, boom, easy. Yeah, very impressed with these. Again, I'll throw up how much I paid for these. I think that they're still available on the website now. Again, I didn't get these off the tool truck, although I did get the opportunity to step on board a tool truck, it was this lady driver. Her name was Pam. Was stopping by my local body shop, so I had the opportunity just to get on board and look around real quick. And I did try to place an order for some micro magnets from her, just to throw in my tool bags as a screw catch. But yeah, I know I've yet to hear from her. It's been 2 weeks, so who knows if my order actually went through. Snap-on shipping, it's a whole $22 minimum just for whatever you order. I don't believe they offer, or they might offer free shipping after a certain dollar amount, but this current order didn't meet that. But yeah, nonetheless very happy with these pliers. Again, these are the LN46ACF 7-inch Talon grip triple slip joint plier from Snap-on. Amazing. Okay, let's get into the next tool that I have. I'll go really quick with this second pickup from Snap-on. Let me just... this is the magnet mat from them, and it holds everything. You can just throw the pliers on there. Let me just stack this thing up, see how much it can actually hold. So I got all of these on there. Let's see if maybe the utility knife won't hold unless it's actually touching the mat. Yeah, it won't. But everything else, I'm sure I can find a spot for this. You can go on the other side. It holds pretty damn well. Now, why did I buy this mat? Why did I spend, what was it, $31 to get this bad boy? Couple reasons. I needed a dedicated screw catch or bolt catch for these, or for this, and or for my tool bag. And this fit the bill because it's not entirely foldable, but it is pliable, as you can see. It's non-marring, so it won't scratch up or dent up any of your tools, your fasteners when you're using it, your bolts, your nuts, whatever you're using. And the other screw catch that I have is actually one from Harbor Freight that I don't have with me currently, but it's like a metal tin. And I'll throw up just a quick screenshot of it. It's a really cheap, like $3 metal tin screw catch. The magnets aren't nearly as strong as what you have here. You know what I mean? And again, if that thing rolls around in your bag as opposed to this, it'll just end up scratching up everything you got in there. Let's actually see if it'll pick up this 24-ounce dead blow hammer from Icon. Maybe it won't. Maybe it will. It's one side. Oh, maybe it won't. Oh no, I guess not. So 24 ounces might just be too much for this. Okay, let's see if it'll pick up this Icon hex set here. So Allen set. Oh, there you go. And this is a full set size 1.5 all the way to 10 there. So pretty strong. Happy with it. Again, can't say enough good things. Who knows if I'm going to end up ordering anything more from Snap-on, but this will be my purchases from them for the time being. Really, really happy with the pliers. And I'm going to be using this thing a lot. Heck, I'm going to be using this thing a lot. So, again, thanks for sticking around, guys. Happy to share this moment with y'all. First ever Snap-on purchase. First ever Snap-on tool that I've owned. And it just happened to be a pair of the LN46ACFs. Alright, with that being said, thank you guys so much for sticking around. Don't forget to comment, like, or subscribe if you please. A little goes a long way here. But yeah, see you guys on the next one.